Now that we have our lemons in our water, we're gonna go ahead and grab these beautiful pale yellow roses, and I'm gonna go ahead and just rip off all of the leaves. That will help the rose last a lot longer, and it just makes it look more beautiful. Okay, now we're gonna kind of measure our rose up against our vase, and we're gonna cut it to where we want it, cut it at an angle, and then we are gonna pop this in with our lemons just like so. And it's okay if they kind of fall, because as we add more, it's gonna be gorgeous. All right, we have our roses in there. It's time for some fillers. They have these little baby's breath that we're gonna do the same kind of thing. We're just gonna cut it and then fill up the little empty spots in our little vase, just like so. Lastly, we're gonna add some greenery. I have this eucalyptus, and we're gonna go ahead and just keep on with our cutting and filling up the empty spots.